Hey guys, this is the Huawei P Smart 2019 version. So it's a mid-range phone with a great price around $215. Uh, Big display with big battery and powerful hardware. So Huawei P Smart 2019, 64 GB of internal storage, 3 GB of RAM. Midnight Black variant is this one. So let's unbox it. Very lightweight. Warranty card, user guides, SIM ejection tool. It supports the fast charging. Micro USB cable. And headphones. 3.5mm headphone jack. Volume control. Basic headphones, as you can see. So anyway, let's see the device. So water drop display, 6.21-inch with resolution 1080 by 2340, resolution 415 pixel density, IPS display. There is a front-facing camera, 12 megapixel or 8 megapixel. It depends on the market. This one is midnight black color. There is a aurora blue, midnight blue, coral red. There is a fingerprint scanner, NFC, dual camera, 20 megapixel main camera, and a depth sensor of 2 megapixel, LED flash. Eye camera is enhancement. So at the bottom there is a 3.5 headphone jack, my microphone, micro USB port, speaker, volume button, volume rocker, micro noise cancellation microphone. There is a dual SIM variant, of course. This one is dual SIM. Battery is a 3400 milliampere battery. It supports fast charging. It comes with Android Pie out of the box. Last version of Android. It's a really good device for this price range. Lightweight, big display, good camera. There is an expandable storage slot. To 512 by microSD card. There is no dual standby. If you want to use two SIM cards, you need to get out the microSD card. That's not good for some peoples. For the board can take more, you know. Solid black color. So get started. You can import data from your old phone, from Android device, iPhone, Huawei cloud backup if you backup before. Or skip for now. There is a face unlock method or a fingerprint. Wow, very cool display. As you can see, vivid color display, good colors. It's really nice. Of course, this is plastic. So while we're using the MUI user interface, MUI, as you can see, Android 9. There is a 3 GB of RAM, 54 GB of free storage for user resolution. Nice interface. It has a good launcher features, like uh, every time when you turn off the screen, wallpaper will be changed. There is a HD wallpapers by default. Install it. There is a themes. Let's see the sound performance of the speaker.
It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beautiful.
Loud, good speaker. Let's see the camera. High camera mode and flash. This one is AI mode, capture the image. This is the normal mode, auto mode. It seems there's no difference, but it can be have a difference in the daylight, I think. So anyway, so there is NFC, Thames, step counter, eye comfort, future. It degrees the blue lights which displays produce to eye. It's harmful for eyes. There are the notch settings. You can hide the notch, as you can see. You can adjust the resolution too. If you are using at the high maximum resolution, the battery will be uh, display will be use more battery. It's not good. There is a app lock. You can lock the app of some apps. For example, let's try the Chrome browser. When you open it, it will be asked for a password. As you can see, is the good future. If you want to someone using your apps, file save. This is the value, private value of your videos, music, and so on. You can set the password, and here this is the private storage of your device. You can attach the images, audio, video, or something else. This picture which I've taken before, I can attach to the private storage and it will be moved from the general storage. As you can see, there is no images. They are in private storage. You can create many saves, private valued, password, done. Okay, I forgot the password. Anyway, you see how it works. So there are some Huawei apps which is interesting. Dollar. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed my video. Subscribe for more videos, like my video, comment link below, and see you soon as in new videos.